Let's look at example of on page 99, number 3. So we wanna find out all this answer of the functions fx equal to 2 to the x plus 5 plus 3 here. Okay. So the last time we talked about functions, exponential function transformation. So in this case, we have 2 to the x plus 5th power here. So I temporarily hide this number, so we don't have it. So assume we don't have this one. So we have only 2 to the x plus 5 power. Then how can we conjecture this one? This case, y to the 2x graph move to the left 5 units, right? So this first one here. Now I'm gonna just temporarily hide this one, so we don't have it temporary. Then now we can conjecture this case 2 to the x plus 3, which means y equal to 2 to the x move up 3 units, right? Okay, now you combine them together. If we combine them together, then this one we can say y equal to 2 to the x graph move to the left 5 units and up 3 units. Okay, so let's look at this graph on the GeoGebra software. Then now fx equal to 2 to the x plus 5 plus 3 here. Okay, so this is our y equal to 2 to the x plus 5 plus 3 graph here. So as you know, this graph never passing y equal to 3 line. Therefore, this line is our new horizontal asymptote. On the other word, this number is usually indicate our new horizontal asymptote. Okay, so the answer, first of all, y equal to 3, that will be the horizontal asymptote, right? Okay, so what's domain here then? So go back to the graph. Domain, it shows that because it keep on going up more and more, and eventually it will pass through y-axis and keep on going. Therefore, domain is x or real number. Okay. Okay, what about the y-intercept? That will be a little bit different though, because we have to go. So I'm gonna zoom out so we can find out y-intercept. It's right here basically, right? So now we can say y-intercept is 0,35 and then no x-intercept, because this graph doesn't pass through x-axis. As you see this graph here, this is the x-axis and this is y equal 3 line here. So as you see, this graph never passes through x-axis. Okay, so look at another graph here, maybe page 101. C graph here, so fx equal to 1 over 2 x plus 4 minus 3. So based on previous work, now we can conjecture this graph transformation from the parent function. So we can say this one y equal to 1 over 2 to the x graph, move 4 units to the left, and then 3 units down. Okay, so let's look at the graph of this one here. So equal to 1 over 2 to the x power. So that's our original function. I'm gonna zoom in more so we can see a little better. Yeah, that was the original 1 over 2 x graph, and then I'm gonna make our questions, which is 1 over 2 to the x plus 4 power, and then minus 3. Okay, so what happened here? Basically, before it was like that, but now it's moving down 3 and left 4 here, right? Do you see this? So from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, basically moving down like that. So last time for this function case, this is our new horizontal asymptote, so the same thing. So this number, which is our new horizontal asymptote. So here y equal to negative 3. As you see, it never passing through y equal to negative 3, right? Therefore, for this case, we can say y equal to negative 3. That is our new horizontal asymptote. Okay? But now, because the graph is under x-axis, so we can find both y-intercept and x-intercept here. So, I'm going to find out. So this one a little bit. Then now, we can find out this point is. So, let me find this point maybe. I'm gonna find out intersect. So here, intersect between this line and then this graph. Then we found negative 5.5 and 0. So x-intercept is negative 5.58, 0. Now y-intercept is here, so I'm gonna make x equal to 0 line, and then find out intersect this line and then this line. Okay, so it's not working. And this point is 0, negative 2.94. Okay, but more important thing is how this function transform from the original function basically. Okay, so that's the lesson.